think we've gone mad. Unfortunately, we've got a slight leak. A new part's been ordered, luckily, but it's going to take about 8 weeks. But because we're on a bit of a slope on our drive, what we've got is a bit of a water ingress.
We have got it on levelling blocks, but it's not quite enough.
Yeah, and I mean, it's nice that I can get it to one edge. But what I'm doing, I'm just using a needle and a bit of thread to wick out some of the water onto this bit of Regina Blitz kitchen towel stuff.
It's got a hole there anyway, hasn't it? You haven't made a hole, but
it's got like a sort of the condensation hole, I think they are.
Yeah.
There's one either end apparently. But yeah, I'm just using the needle and the thread just to wick out some of the water. You can see, even though the hole is just slightly above the water level now, there's quite a lot of water that I've actually managed to wick out.
I think it's helping.
Yeah, so that's, yes, the garage have offered to check it over and reseal it, but it's not too bad for the minute, so we'll wait for the part.
I'm going to just draw back and just show whereabouts in Bessie you are.
Yeah.
I'm walking backwards. I'll just go flying down this
Yeah.
dip in a minute. Here we go. There you go. Yeah, so you can see what he's doing. Obviously it's just above the driver's seat, which initially the driver's seat got a bit wet when we first brought her home. We didn't know we had this leak, but we now keep a bit of a plastic cover on her when she's on the drive. But we're hoping that what Gary's doing is gonna work.
Right, I'll leave that like that, and then that can wick away. Or not Wikipedia, wick away. Right, okay.
Job
Here's
done.
a short little video for you. Thanks for watching. Please like and please subscribe to our channel. We'd be most grateful to you.